Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn colors name. Dark pink color, orange color, yellow color, green color, violet color, sky blue color, navy blue color and red color. Today we will paint A to Z and 1 to 0. So let's get started. Yellow color A. A for avocado. B. B for bread. Pink color K. K for kitten. L. L for lion. Blue color T. T for top. U. U for umbrella. Orange color V. V for vulture. W. W for whale. W for whale. Green color F. F for fin. G. G for goat. Yellow color Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zigzag. Navy blue color O. O for octopus. P. P for pig. Red color C. C for cat. D. D for doctor. E. E for elephant. Green color H. H for head. I for ink. J. J for juice. Orange color M. M for monkey. N. N for nurse. Light pink color Q. Q for quail. R. R for rabbit. S. S for strawberry. X. X for X-ray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. You have to practice this every day. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.